Hello, Year 10. This morning I'm going to introduce you to a chemical concept called the mole. You should have done this before, but I'd like to do a recap. And in order to do that, I'm going to be doing an analogy of making a brand new sweet. And this brand new sweet is going to be the Polo Tic Tac. So basically, in order to make a Polo Tic Tac, it's really easy. You take one Polo, you then react it with a Tic Tac, and when those two react together, they react in a 1-to-1 ratio. When you do that, you end up with our Polo Tic Tac. So in order to do this, I am going to weigh out a number of grams of Polos and Tic Tacs, but I'm going to weigh the same number of grams out. So what I'm going to do is maybe weigh out 10 grams of Polos and 10 grams of Tic Tacs. And when that happens, we'll come back and we'll continue. Don't go away. So Year 10, you can clearly see I've weighed out 10 grams down here of Polos. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Polos there. Now going to weigh out the Tic Tacs. You can now see I have weighed out 10 grams of Tic Tacs. And there they are. Don't go away. So what I'm now going to start doing is reacting the Polos with the Tic Tacs together. So as I showed you at the start, for every Polo, I react it with a Tic Tac. For every Polo, I react it with a Tic Tac, and I'm going to keep doing this. And I'm sure already you can now see what the problem is when we weigh things out in grams. It's soon going to become very obvious that I'm going to run out of Polos very quickly. And what I'm going to be ending up with is a load of Tic Tacs left over, which are going to get mixed in with my brand new sweet. So therefore we have a problem. And it should appear obvious by now that actually the reason we ran out of Polos is because each Polo is a lot heavier than a Tic Tac. So therefore, this is exactly the same problem that happens in chemistry. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you an example of this very thing, a 1-to-1 reaction when we react iron with sulfur. Don't go away.